So let's do time step. You have a 2, 3. Now you move with the steps. You have a small steps on the ball of the feet, but with the hip. Cha, cha. And now here, take a look at my left hip and right hip. You'll have to do a little bit curl here. A1, A1. So that A1 is the key for the cha-cha. So now continue next one. So like I stand a little bit in front and go 2, 3, and I have a cha, cha. So basically your cha-cha is preparation for that A1, explosion on A1. So what is A1? A1 basically pushing from your right foot and this hip going high and do like a question mark, like a circle. A1 and gets here. And 2, 3, cha, cha, A1. And 2, 3, cha, cha, A1. So when we're doing A1, then we can a little bit accentuate count 1, and it will look slightly different than count 2, 3. So 2, 3, just directly change your pendulum with a little bit of rotation, of course. Boom, boom. Then cha-cha is treated as a preparation for A1. Cha, cha. So now most important is now you're preparing this left foot for that hip to go A1. And 2, 3, cha, cha, A1. So in music, there will be a drum which is gonna go boom, boom, tin, tin, boom. So our hip is that drum, a representation of that drum. So hip go boom, boom, tin, tin, A1. Boom, boom, tin, tin, A1. And boom, boom, tin, tin, A1. And boom, boom, cha, cha, boom. And 1, boom, tin, tin, A1. And 2, 3, tin, tin, A1. What is now recommended is to do it only with the legs. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. So that will be only a foot rhythm. And we want to have a body rhythm. So what is a body rhythm? Is a hip action and body action combined together. For the men, more important will be upper body. For the girls, will be hips, a little bit more important, but we do most. So one more time, and going 2, 3, cha, cha, A1, 2, 3, cha, cha, A1. So if time step is like this, everything is like this. So if you're going backward, we have a, like in Rumba, you have a back replace. You have step, then you melt, and then you move your spine forward, step over the leg, then you melt. And in cha-cha, this technique would be not appropriate. So what we're gonna do in cha-cha, we're gonna do replace and step. Boom, instead, 2. And now push your spine forward, 3 with the hip. And now going side, cha, cha, A1. And now check forward walk with the fast hip, 2. Replace back, 3, cha, cha, A1. So most of dancers, they practice cha-cha with the rumba action, and that's not recommended. So it's not recommended to do like this, 2 and 3 and cha, cha, cha. Even though it's very correct action, it's not suitable for the cha-cha rhythm. So when later you dance in a fast music, it's not gonna be easy. So I recommend you to go immediately with the clicking of the cha-cha, 2, and just stay long. If you want to feel it, just stay longer in that position. 3, now side, cha, cha, A1, and 2, 3, cha, cha, A1. And that's what set up difference between amateur dancer and professional dancer. So amateur, they only copy the picture. Professionals, they more pay attention to the action and difference between action and rumba. So for example, this will be a rumba, and this will be a cha-cha. Boom, 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 boom. This is will be in rumba, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and this will be in cha-cha. Click, 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 A1 and click, 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 A1. And that A1, that's the key. A1 is the key. Now, side is a little bit easier, forward and back. It's exactly the same, but just dynamics are slightly different. So let's try forward and back. 2, 3. Now, as you're going lockstep forward, cha. So treat it very small, like a preparation for cha. And now prepare that hip. That's why the heel is on the ball of the foot. There is no heel down. You go one. When you move forward, you have one more element, is the spine, continuous spine forward. So let me demonstrate. Like anytime you change your hip forward, the spine should always move on top of the hip. So I see many people, they do cha-cha hip, only changing the hip. No, you have to drive your spine forward, like somebody pull you here, and that's you combine with the pendulum change. So if you change pendulum fast, you have to keep driving that spine forward. Got it? And 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, and check 2. So remember, in Ramba, gonna be 2 and Here it's 2, action right away. 3, you have a hip, cha, now more like a neutral cha, and now imagine you have that, remember that circle, A1 to the side, the same will be backward, A1, and you land here, like a fan position, very tight. So now I have that hip to use, and 2, 3, cha, cha, A1, 2, 3, cha, cha, A1, and 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 2. So then your body will look exactly like the music which is playing. Yes? And now when you do in the fast music, make sure do not big step and do too much action on cha-cha. Treat cha-cha, lock step, as a preparation for your A1. So what does it mean? Instead of doing 2, 3, cha, 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 even though it looks like a big action, in music it's not gonna work too well. You're going 2, 3, now here almost just fade out, cha, cha, and all the energy put into that A1, A1, there. Got it? So for example, you have your section in, let's say the small choreography, let's say you have a, just follow me. You have a 2, 3, cha, cha, A1, you have a check, 2, you have a round it, 3, cha, cha, and now you're gonna go side with the high, A1, and 2, hip twist chasse, 3, cha, cha, A1, time step, 2, 3, cha, cha, A1, now 5, fast time step, 2, 3, 4, A1, 3, 4, R1. So this will be a very good movement to exercise. Practice your technique, practice your body action and rhythms. Last time. And 2, 3, cha, cha, R1. 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 2, R3, 4, R1, R2, R3, R1. Just practice and become amazing. Okay, so for the cha-cha, to understand hip action and rhythm. So we have a fast changing of the hip pendulum. So it goes like this. Boom. Boom. Then on rhythm cha-cha, we change very little. Cha-cha. And on one, we have to a little bit accentuate. A1. So you're going like this. Boom. Boom. Cha-cha. A1. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. So very fast, direct hip changes. 2, 3, tin, tin, boom, 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 tin, tin, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. So all of these hips, they're slightly different. So count 2, 3 is pretty powerful. 2, 3 is one group of the rhythms. Now cha-cha is very small, very easy, and A1 is the most important. One you have to hit a little bit stronger. I will show you later how to do it in the steps, but at least just have this information first. So you have a 2, 3, now easy, cha, cha, and now here a little bit stronger, 1, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. So this seems to be very simple, but when you do walks, it's going to be not that easy. So I'll show you how to do it in a nice way.